Primrose Schools, we believe technology should be used purposefully to support learning, creativity, and exploration. That's why we created the Balanced Learning App, a curriculum-aligned classroom tool which combines digital prompts with hands-on learning to create a phygital experience. By connecting digital experiences to the concepts children are exploring in the classroom, we help them build a deeper understanding of content, develop healthy technology habits, and use technology as a meaningful learning tool. Children may choose to use the Balanced Learning App at the Research and Technology Center for up to 2 15-minute sessions per week, with each unit leading them through 4 engaging experiences, researching a topic with a nonfiction text, following the design thinking process to solve a problem, identifying emotions, and coding a dance. The app is intentionally aligned to each unit of learning, giving children opportunities to explore concepts in new ways. The Primrose Schools Balanced Learning App brings innovation to early education and uses technology to enhance hands-on learning, not replace it. Primrose Schools, the leader in early education and care.